Preacher from the back room, calling my name and I follow just to find you. I traced the faith to a broken down television and put on the weather. And I've trained myself to give up on the past, cause I froze in time between hearses and caskets. Lost control when I panicked at the acid test. I wanna get better.
While my friends were getting high and chasing girls down Parkway lines, I was losing my mind because the love that it gave, wasted on a nice face. In a blaze of fear, I put a helmet on a helmet, counting seconds through the night and got carried away. So now I'm standing on the overpass, screaming at the cars, hey, I wanna get better. Still permanent, more in the years before I got carried away. So now I'm staring at the interstate, screaming at myself, hey, I wanna get better. I was lonely till I saw your face. I wanna get better, better. I wanna get better. I was broken till I wanted to change. I wanna get better. Sleeping in the back of a taxi, screaming from my bedroom window, even if it's gonna kill me.
Woke up this morning early before my family, from the stream where she was trying to show me how a life can move from the darkness. She said to get better.
So I put a bullet where I should have put a helmet, and I crashed my car cause I wanna get carried away. That's why I'm standing on the overpass, screaming at myself, hey, I wanna get better. I wanna get better. I wanna get better.
I'm Jordan for the Ready Set.
And we're headed out on tour this October and November.
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Check below in the description, get ticket links, info, everything.
It's all down there.
It's down there.
Cool. See you guys there.
See you there.
Bye.